To troubleshoot CyberScout login issues, start by ensuring you have a stable internet connection. A slow or unreliable connection can prevent you from accessing your account. Next, verify that you are using the correct login credentials, including your username and password. Double-check that your caps lock is turned off, as passwords are case-sensitive. If you are still having trouble, try clearing your browser's cache and cookies. This can resolve issues caused by outdated or corrupted data stored in your browser. You can do this by pressing the Ctrl+Shift+Delete keys on a Windows computer or Command+Shift+Delete on a Mac. Another common issue is an outdated browser. Make sure you are using the latest version of your browser, as older versions may not be compatible with the CyberScout website. You can check for updates in your browser's settings or download the latest version from the browser's official website. If you have forgotten your password, you can reset it by clicking on the Forgot Password link on the login page. Follow the prompts to enter your username and answer any security questions you may have set up. You will then receive an email with instructions on how to reset your password. Additionally, ensure that your browser is configured to accept cookies from the CyberScout website. Cookies are small files that store information about your login session and are required for the website to function properly. You can check your cookie settings in your browser's settings or preferences. Finally, if none of the above steps resolve the issue, contact CyberScout's customer support team for assistance. They can help you troubleshoot the issue or provide additional guidance on resolving the problem. By following these steps, you should be able to successfully troubleshoot and resolve any CyberScout login issues you may encounter.